Hi guys, this is Leela. Welcome to my channel Leela Web Dev. In this video, we are going to learn about the list view in the Android. So what is a list view? Well, it is basically a way to show a list of items to the user. For example, in your phone contacts app, all the names and the numbers are displayed in a list view, right? In the same scenario, in a messaging app also, all the messages are shown in a list view. And when you click on an item in the list, something happens like calling that person or opening a chat or something like that. So that is the whole idea, showing a list of items, and when the user selects one, perform some action. So now before we start coding, let me show you the thing. So here let us move into our thing. So let's go to our what I mean is layout activity main.xml file. So this is our activity file. So here what I would be trying to do it is I will delete this enter spinner and all those things. Here I will try to capture in the legacy, so you will be able to see a list view. Okay, so here I will be trying to use the list view here. So this is the list view which you are able to get it, and I would be trying to keep it something like this. Okay, so this is the list view which I want to keep it. So fine, and here I want to give the name as list view. Okay, so now what I would be trying to do it is perfect. Now we have a list view in our layout, but right now the list is empty. We need some data. In this example, we will show the country names or something like that. So go to the sorry, strings.xml file, and here we are having all the countries, right? So I will try to add some more countries here. So I will add something like item. So I will add Australia, okay, and I will add USA, and I will add Malaysia. I will add another one like Indonesia, okay, and here I will add the New Zealand, and I will add India, Sri Lanka, okay, China. So like this. So I will repeat it again so that we can have some huge list of data. Okay, so these are all some of the items which we are trying to add it. So now we have the list of countries ready. So time to connect things in the code. Let's go to our main activity file. So here in this one we will be able to have the main activity, and here what I would be trying to do it is, let's define our list view. Okay, let init where list view of type list view. So we have implemented the list view, and let's try to connect that list view to this one here. So here I will be trying to remove this entire code. So here I will be trying to remove this entire code. Okay, here also these things also I will remove it, and for this one the interface also we need to remove that interface also. Fine, I've removed the interface. Now it is fine. Now here I will write the code in such a way that list view is equal to find view by id of list view, and here r.id dot list view. That's it. So now we have connected the list view. So now what we need to do, so we also need the array from strings.xml file. So let's try to get the countries list. Val countries list is equal to resources. Oh, sorry, resources. So we have the resources, right? So resources dot get string array. Okay, and from where I need to get r dot array dot countries. So I got the list data. So we got now we have the list view and also array of countries. Next we need an adapter, so it connects the data source with the view in our list view. So what I can do here, let's try to get the array adapter. Array adapter is equal to array adapter of, so we need to connect with this comma. So here we need to have the Android layout, android.r.layout. Sorry, here let's try to here, and here I can write android.r.layout.simple underscore list underscore item underscore one, and I need to pass the countries list. That's it. So we got the array adapter and we got the countries list. And here what we can do, ListView dot adapter is equal to, so we need to arrange the array adapter. Fine. So now if you try to check the output for this one, so let's try to see the output for this one. So let's try to see the output for this one. So now here I have created an adapter and I have attached this ListView adapter to this array adapter. So now if you try to see then see an output for this one, let's try to see here. We are able to see the data. So we are able to see the scroll list data. If I click on this one, so what we need to do, we need to make this one also working. Let's try to make this one also working. So it's very easy. So what we can do it is, so we'll add a click listener to the list view. So what I can do, list view dot set on item, set on item click listener. So this is the item which I want to do it, and here I can use the parent. So this is the parent which I want to use it, and here what we can do, what we know, this is the parent. So that is nothing but the list view, and view is our view, and the position and the ID. So here I can do that. What I can do, val, sorry, country name is equal to parent dot get item at position of position. Now what I want to do here, toast dot make text. For toast we need to import it at the top. So toast dot make text of, context is nothing but this, or application context, you can take it, application context, comma, the message is nothing but the country name you selected, or otherwise you can write something like you selected dollar country name, and here I can do toast dot length underscore short, long also you can use it, dot show. That's it. Now let's try to run this code. I will refresh this code so that we can able to see the output. So now here if you try to see the output, if I click on this New Zealand, so here you'll be able to see you selected New Zealand. If I click on that Australia, you'll be able to see you clicked on Australia, and I clicked on the Belgium, you will be able to see you selected Belgium. So now what we have did it here, so here it defines the position. We tell us which item was clicked. Get item at position means gets the actual value like England or something like that. Then we show it using a toast message. So that's it. So now that's how the list view works in the Android. Add a list view to layout, create data like an array in the string.xml file, access list view and data in the code, use an adapter to connect to them, and add a click listener to handle the actions. That's it. In the next video, what we'll try to do is we'll build on this and explore more Android components. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more Android tutorials. Thank you.